Good morning, my dear children. Now we are discussing unit number 6, solid state, page number 183. The number of atoms in a cubic unit cell. The number of atoms in a cubic unit cell. The last class we discussed about that 7 primitive crystal system. I gave one format how to write the 7 crystal system, how to write the edge length and how to write the angles. Many of them wrote correctly, exactly. And today we have to discuss about the number of atoms in a cubic unit cell. One is primitive simple cubic cell. Primitive or simple cubic cell. That it can be said as SC. First, I am going to draw one of the simple cubic unit cell. This is one of the simple cubic unit cell. How to each corner the atom, an identical atom is present. Each corner. They have how much corner here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Am I right? In the simple cubic cell, each corner is occupied by an identical atoms or ions or molecule. They are touched along the edges of the cube. They are touched along the edges of the cube. Do not touch diagonally. That means, as per the textbook, we have 3 diagrams. But this diagram is enough. Those who need that diagram also, we can draw that one. Like then you can draw. Here, they are touched along the edges. They are touching. Here they are touching along the edges. They do not touch diagonally. They do not touch diagonally. First, how can you find the coordination number? Suppose I am taking here one atom. This atom. This atom is connected with other atoms. Which are the possibility for connecting other atom? Suppose I am this atom. Now this atom can connect this atom. Am I right? This atom. This also can connect this atom. Here also it can be connect this atom. This is for one cubic cell. Suppose I am taking another one connection means just is opposite having one connection. Am I right? One of an opposite having one connection. This side also having one connection. And the above also having one connection. Am I right? Above also having one connection. So, now what is the coordination number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the coordination number. That's a one-word question. How many atoms can touching it? Or how many atoms are surrounding like that? We can be say. This is here. How much atom is surrounding? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Coordination number. Now, we can be calculate the number of atoms in SC unit cell. My dear children, the number of atoms in the SC unit cell, that is simple cubic unit cell. Here, this cubic cell here having how much phase, first you have to, phase we can be discuss next one. Here, this simple cubic, how much number of atoms can be calculated. We have one formula, that is number of atoms in SC cube unit cell is equal to NC divided by 8. This is the formula, NC divided by 8. What is NC? NC is number of corners. Number of corners. That is, how much corner having this unit cell? If you are leaving this one, how much corner having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we get 8 by 8. That is, and what is the answer? 1 is the answer. Okay. Next about, we can be discuss about the body-centered cubic unit cell. Body-centered. What is the next question? Body-centered BCC arrangement. BCC arrangement. Here, in the first I am drawing the body-centered. Each corner having an atom. Am I right? The center also having on another atom. Center also having on another atom. So, first we can be say, what is the coordination number of this body-centered? Body-centered means BCC cubic cell. Okay. BCC, body-centered cubic unit cell. BCC. Here, how can you find out? Before, what is the coordination number? Suppose this is a central atom. Am I right? This is connected with how much atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the coordination number, my dear children? Can you say what is the coordination number? Coordination number is equal to Cn is equal to 8 for body-centered. What about the simple cubic coordination number? 6 is the coordination number. Don't forget that about the one-word question. Now, the body-centered cubic unit cell, each corner is occupied by identical particles, and also in the center, each corner having one, that means 8. There is center, in addition to one atom that is occupied at the center. Can you understand? Here, this atom occupy the corner, do not touch with each other. It cannot be touched with each other. Am I right? Clear? However, they all touch one that occupy the body center. If here one, this one can be touch all these atoms. Am I right? Here, each atom is surrounded by 8 nearest neighbors. This each atom, suppose this atom, this atom, this atom, this atom, this is all atom. This atom is surrounded by 8 nearest neighbors. 8 nearest neighbors. So the coordination number is 8. I am giving only one example. Okay. Each one can connection. Okay. Now, how can you find the number of atoms in BCC, that is body-centered cubic? That also having one formula. What is the formula? NC, the number of atoms in body-centered unit cell, is equal to NC divided by 8 plus NB divided by 1. What is NC? NC means number of corners. How much corners having? 8 corners. So 8 by 8 plus number of body in center. How much having? 1. 1 plus 1. So is equal to 1 plus 1. That is equal to answer 2. This is about that. What? Body-centered cubic unit cell. Can you understand, my dear children? Next, we can find out the face-centered. Okay, how can you find the face-centered? Let us, I am drawing one of the face-centered cubics. One of the face-centered cubic. How can you find out one of the face-centered? First, I am drawing one of the face-centered cubic. This one. Each corner we can be occupy one atom. Am I right? Each corner. Clear? And also this face-centered, suppose I am taking one of the cubic, this face-centered. Imagine this is one of the cubic. This face-centered having how much, this cube have how much face? That is my question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I right? So I'm giving the mark like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this face, am I right? So in a face-centered cubic unit cell, identical atoms lie at the corner only. Don't forget that. In a face-centered cubic unit cell, identical atoms, these are all the identical atoms. These are lie at the corner. Okay. And at each corner, as well as the center of the each face here, this one face can be also accommodated. Here also, here, front side and back side. Am I right? Here. How can you find the number of atoms in the face unit cell? That is, the atom in the face center being shared by 2 unit cell. This is one of the, imagine this is one of the unit cell. This is another unit cell. Am I right? Now we are joining, both of joining. That means here, this 2 unit cell shared by sharing. Their atom is sharing. The atoms in the face center is being shared by 2 unit cell. Each atom in the face center makes 1/2 contribution of the unit cell. That is, one face is equal to 2. Am I right? That is 2 unit cell. The face is 1. So we can be share like that, half. The contribution to the unit cell, how can you write about the number of atoms in the FCC unit cell? Number of atoms in the FCC unit cell is equal to NC divided by 8 plus NF divided by 2. Okay, what is the formula here? NC divided by 8 plus NF divided by 2. What is NC? Number of corners. How much corners having? 8. As per the formula, 8 plus number of face. How much face having? 6. Divided by 2. The formula 2. Am I right? So 8 by 8 is equal to 1. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Am I right? So this is about the face centered. Previous we discussed about the body centered, face centered, and about the symbol cubic. Everything you learn about that. Next, one of the important points about that, Bragg's equation. Bragg's equation. B-R-A-G-E-S. Bragg's equation. That means we can be say calculation involving unit cell dimension. That is, X-ray diffraction analysis is the most powerful tool for the determination of crystal structure. Here, what is about the Bragg equation? That means the interplanar distance, interplanar distance, that is D, between two successive plane of atoms can be calculated. One of the equation. What is the equation means? N lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. N lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. N lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. That is one of the relationship between the wavelength of X-ray, the interplanar distance, and the angle of reflection, is called what? Bragg equation. That we are simply right. Sorry, not an angle of reflection, angle of diffraction. Okay, sorry, angle of diffraction. What is the formula here? N lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. So what is about the lambda? N lambda. Lambda means wavelength of X-rays. What is about the N? It is the order of diffraction. What is about the D? That is about the interplanar distance. But by knowing the value of lambda or theta, sin theta, and n, we can calculate the interplanar distance D. If you know the value of lambda, n, and theta, we can find out the value of D. So D can be written as D is equal to n lambda divided by 2d sin theta. Next, how can you calculate of density? Derive the density of a unit cell. That is the question. Derive the density of a unit cell. Calculation of density. Here, based on the edge length, we can calculate the density. Am I right? Using the edge length of the unit cell, we calculate density. Density means, all of you know that one, rho. Am I right? Rho. In the smart class, we learn about that. Density of the unit cell is equal to mass per volume. Density is equal to mass per volume. Here we can write the density of the unit cell rho is equal to mass of the unit cell, mass of the unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell, Next, we can discuss about what is about the mass of the unit cell. Mass of the unit cell equal to total number of atoms belong to that unit cell. One of the formula, total number of atoms belongs that unit cell into mass of one atom. The mass of one atom is equal to molar mass divided by Avogadro number. Molar mass divided by Avogadro, Avogadro, Avogadro number. What is about the Avogadro number? 6.0 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Okay, 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. So we can be written as mass m is equal to molar mass, that is capital M divided by Avogadro number, can be written as Na. So by the way, we can be right, the mass of the unit cell, the mass of the unit cell is equal to N into M divided by Na. When we are comparing, otherwise substituting, that's first one that can be taken as here the density of the unit cell we can be taken as equation number 1. The mass of the unit cell we can be taken as the equation 2. Am I right? So we can be written as mass of the unit cell N is equal N into capital M divided by Na. For a cubic cell, first I am taking for a cubic cell. Imagine this is one of the cube dimension, that is equal to, all sides are equal, am I right? We can be say length into breadth into height, am I right? Because the reason is 3 edges are equal, 3 sides are equal, that we are denoted by A. Already yesterday we learned that one of the cube, that A is equal to B is equal to C, am I right? Symbol cubic. For a cube unit cell, all edge length are equal. A is equal to B is equal to C. Volume of the unit cell is equal to volume of the unit cell is equal to L into B into H. L into B into H, that is A into A into A. A into A into A means A cube. So density of the unit cell rho is equal to N into capital M divided by A cube into Avogadro number, Na into Avogadro number. This is the equation. Here we have 4 variables. What are the 4 variables? Rho is one variable, N is another one variable, M is another one variable, and A is the other one variable. Out of this 4, if we know any 3, we can be find out the 4th one. Am I right? So suppose if you are finding one of the symbol cubic, what is about the n value? Body centered, what is about the n value? Face centered, what is the n value? This is about the one word question. This is one of the one word question. Primitive cell, symbol cubic, the n value is 1. Body centered, don't forget that the body centered n value is 2. The face centered, the n value becomes 4. Okay. Next, we can be do one problem, one of the important problem. My dear children, the problem means this is not if you are learning full problem, because we have a number of problem having. Don't feel about the problem. We can be learn. It's very easy. Okay. I think that some science group students are having. Don't worry about that for multiplication, division, everything, because we are using one of the logarithm table. I hope that you maybe learn the logarithm table in the lower section. Logarithm table. Just this is one of the logarithm table. The cost of the logarithm table is, I think, that about the previous year. This is about the 20 rupees like that. Clark's table. Otherwise, we can be say like that. One of the science data book, SI unit. Am I right? The books is like that. Just like one of the 80-page book like that. Am I right? Here. But what is the speciality of this logarithm table means? The center of the page, they're having logarithm, that is periodic classification table. Okay, center. Here many derivation, expansion, formulas about some values. These are all given in totally physics exam and chemistry exam. We can be used for the examination. Board, I am speaking about the board examination. Okay, only it is allowed only in the higher secondary examination only. Your NEET exam or any other exam, they will not give this logarithm table. For our state board examination, including our practical examination, this we can be used for the calculation, etc. Okay, for chemistry calculation, we are using calculator. But other calculation also we can be used for the theory examination also. Here I have very number of units like that, number of definition like that. Many data are given in the logarithm book. Okay, this is not compulsory. My dear children, try to understand my concept. It is not compulsory. This is your wish. Okay, it is not compulsory, but it is available in all local bookstore center. Okay, people who are interested for doing any calculation part, we can be use the logarithm table. Okay, so those who are willing means you can be buy it. Okay, now we can be find page number 188, one of the example 2. Barium has the body-centered cubic unit cell with a length of 508 pm. This is about pm means picometer. Okay, picometer. Along an edge, what is the density of barium in grams centimeter minus 3? That's a question. One of the question is given. As per this question, it is given only one data. Only one data. What is the data means? Given only one value. 508 pm. Length of 508 pm. So, this is the given data. This is given in the picometer. First, we have to convert into centimeter. So, we can be written as 508 pm is equal to 508 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. Solution. We have to find the density. Now only we discussed that density of the unit cell. Rho is equal to n capital M divided by A cube Na. N means number of atoms per unit cell. N means number of atoms per unit cell. M means molar mass of barium. A cube means, we know that one. The cube means 3 edge, am I right? 3 length A into A into A. Am I right? That length, edge length, we can be say edge length. NA means Avogadro number. First, I want to find what is the n value. How can you find the n value? First, I am drawing a small cube. This is one of the small cube that we can be say like that, the body centered BCC arrangement. Each corner having identical atom, and also center also having one atom. That is about the body centered cube. Am I right? Now, what is the formula for finding? What is the formula? Number of atoms in BCC unit cell. What is the formula? NC divided by 8 plus NB divided by 1. NC, how much is number of corners? 8 by 8 plus, what is NB? 1 by 1 equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is the n value. Am I right? This is what? The n value. In this case, now n is equal to 2. M, that is capital M. Capital M means we can be find out the molar mass. Don't forget that. Molar mass. Capital M, the molar mass. So now we can be take the logarithm book. Okay. Take the logarithm book. Page number 56. Page number 56. This is the page number 56. Here the properties of the element having many element having here about the name, atomic number, atomic weight, crystal structure. I'm right here. Everything having atomic radius. Okay. Everything. And it is expressed in the atomic weight like that. Barium, atomic number is 56. Here the number is 137.34. Have you seen that one? 137.34. 137.34. Okay. We can be right. M is equal to 137.3 gram mole inverse. It's about the molar mass. But here it is mentioned like that. Atomic weights. Okay. That is mass per gram. Okay. So anyhow, please write that one. We can be easily write with the help of log book. Next, what is about the A? A is given as per the formula A cube, A is given as 508, it's PM. Already I change it, we can be change it. That is 508 into 10 raised to minus 10 cm. Now we can be formula, we can be substituted here. Rho is equal to, I gave that the body centered means 2 atoms. Am I right? 2 atoms, rho is equal to 2 atoms into capital M is given as 137.3 gram mole inverse divided by, what is the A value? A value as per the formula A cube, A is given as 508 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter cube, because picometer is converted into centimeter. A cube having, so make it cube. And Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. 6.023 into 10 raised to 23 atoms mole inverse. Next, First, what are the possibility for cancelling here? Here atoms can be cancelled. Mole inverse can be cancelled. Which are the remaining there? Here gram, here centimeter. Now again I am writing one more steps. How can you write means? Rho is equal to 2 into 137.3 gram divided by 508 cube. I am taking this 10 raised to minus 10 outside. So into this 10 raised to 10 to the power minus 10 into 3 means we can be written as 10 minus 30 into centimeter also having cube. So I am going to write centimeter cube into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Next, again I am going to cut short this one. Rho is equal to 2 into 137.3 gram divided by 508 cube into, first I am taking the Avogadro number, 6.023 into this 10 raised to minus 30, 10 raised to minus 30 into 10 raised to plus 23, we can be cancel like that, we can be right. 30 minus 23, no, we know that one, 7, so we have to write minus 7, that is 30 have the negative, so minus 7 into centimeter cube. Okay. Next, I am going to take the log. Log, what is about the log? Sometimes you maybe learn about the log in the small class. This is the logarithm book. Logarithm, first having the logarithm page number 2. Okay, in the logarithm book page number 2, 3. First 2, 3 are the logarithm. Next about the anti-logarithm, that is 4, 5. And next about the natural sine, 6, 9 page. Natural cosines, natural tangents, etc. Everything having. These are all about the logarithm. Okay. Please here, by this logarithm book, we are solving this problem. Because most of the students are in our science students. So for the easiest way, I am going to solve this problem. Otherwise, we can do the ordinary calculation. Okay. Other we can use the ordinary calculation. First, I am taking log 2 here. The log of 2. They're having only one digit, am I right? So I am writing 0. 1 digit means 0. 2 digit means 1 point, 3 digit means 2 points, like that you have to write. We can be explain later. Okay. Here log of 2, please find the log of 2. There is no log of 2. So for log of 2, we can be take log 20. Log 20 versus here we have to take 0. Log 20 0 we are taking means the value is 3010. What's the value here? 3010. Next one, log 137.3. The characteristics here, the characteristics is 3 digit. Okay, that is 3 digit means before the point you have to find out, not after the point. Before the point 137 like that, 3 digit having. 3 digit minus 1, we get 2. Am I right? 3 digit, that is 3 minus 1, we get 2. Am I right? So I am writing 2 points. The characteristics is 2 point. Log 13. What is the log 13? Here the log 13 versus 7. 1367. Am I right? 1367. Those who have the logarithm book, please take the logarithm book. 1367. Next, again having one more mean difference. I think that mean difference 7. 7 means 137. I'm having 10. Am I right? A log of 13.7. Mean difference 3. Sorry, mean difference 3. 3 means 10. So what's the answer? We are adding here. Tens we are adding here. 7 plus 0, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. Then 3, 1. So what's the answer here? 1, 3, 7, 7. 3, 7, 7. Am I right? So here having the multiplication, so just we are adding. If I am adding means what's the answer? 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 3. 3 plus 1, 4.2. This we get answer 2.4387 as per the logarithm. Next we can be find out the second one. That is about that denominator. Denominator we are going to find out that one. What are the values are given? That is about that 508 cube. Am I right? 508 cube. This also 508 having 3 digit. First I am going to write 3 minus 1. 3 minus, because 3 characteristics having, so 3 minus 1, it becomes 2 points. And now we are going to find about that 50 logarithm book in 50 versus 8. What is the answer? 50 versus 8 logarithm book. 50, this is 50 going to 8 means we get the value 7059. What's the value here? 7059. 7059. So I am writing 7059. Here having cube, just I am going to multiplication this one. Okay, I am going to multiplication by 3 because cube into 3. So what is the possibility here? Just a multiplication I am writing here 8.1177. This is answer. Okay, just to multiply that on. So we get the 3 log value. 3 log of 508 value becomes, what's the value here? 8.1177. Next one. We have to find out that Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? 6.023 Avogadro number. That value also find out. That is single digit. 6 means single digit. Am I right? So I am writing 6, 0 point. Single digit means 0 point. So I am going to find out that one. 60. Log of 60. 6.023 can be find out that. 60, you have to find the logarithm 60 and find out the logarithm 60 of 2 and mean difference 3. What is the 60 of 2? 60 of 2 here, 7796. What is the value here? Can you find out? 7796, the logarithm page number 3. Am I right? You look the 60 versus 27796. And about you have to find out the mean difference for 3. The 3 mean difference is 2. So make it 2 here. Just we are adding. 6 plus 2 becomes 8, 9, 7, 7. Okay. So we get, what is the value here? 7798. Next about the log 10 raised to minus 7. Log 10 raised to minus 11. 10 raised to minus 11 becomes, that is about that minus 7 means we have to write bar 7. Bar 7 means negative 7. 0, 0, 0, 0. Just I am going to add this one. we can be given as 8 plus 7 is 15. Next we can write 7, 9, 8. 8 minus 7 becomes 1. We get the point is value 1.8975. What's the value here? 1.8975. Okay. Okay, this is the denominator. So before we find out one value, what's the value here? That is log 20 and about log 137.3, we get one value. What's the value there? 2.4387. So we have to subtract this one, that is 2.4387 minus 1.8975. So when we are subtracting, what is the answer means? 7 minus 5, 2, 1, 4, 5, 0 point, like that. Am I right? Because you are taking 0.5412. So next we have to find this value about the anti-logarithm. We get the 0.5412. You have to take the anti-log. Anti-log means the page number, the logarithm book page number. Take the page number of logarithm. 54. 54 means logarithm page number 5. 54 versus about 1, first one. 3475. What's the answer right here? 3475. 3475. Next about the mean difference. 54. The mean difference is, I think that 2. That also 2. Am I right? 2 means what's the answer? 3477. What's the answer we get? 3477. So 3477. This is the value. My dear children, for the anti-logarithm, we get 0.5412. Am I right? So 0. We get, so make it after 1 point. That is 3.477. What's the answer? 3.477. So you have to round up this one. How can you round up this one? Because more than 5 number. Am I right? So 3.5 is the answer. This is our answer. So here also, in our calculation, previous calculation, after cancelling the atoms and mole inverse, we get the answer is about that gram centimeter. Am I right? Gram centimeter. As per the question, what is the density of barium in gram centimeter minus 3? Gram centimeter minus 3. So we are find out that the density of barium is 3.5 gram centimeter minus 3. This is the answer. Okay. So anyhow, today my assignment. What is assignment means? Please all of you learn the question. Calculation of density. Calculation of density, page number 184. Calculation of density. Please learn and write. Thank you all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.